Noise pollution by lecturer Dr. Ammar A. Saoud, Environmental Engineering, Civil Engineering Department, Al-Nahrain University. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is sound that is unwanted or disrupts one's quality of life. When there's a lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as a noise pollution. Sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversation. Health effects. World Health Organization (WHO) stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human happiness. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. Noise pollution can damage health, causes high blood pressure, hearing losses, and productivity losses. Noise pollution can also cause memory losses, severe depression, and panic attacks. Source of noise pollution. Transportation systems are the main source of noise pollution in urban areas. Construction of buildings, highway, cause a lot of noise due to the usage of air compressors, bulldozers, loaders, and pavement breakers. Solutions for noise pollution. Planting and trees in and around sound generating sources is an effective solution for noise pollution. Regular servicing of automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. Buildings can be designed with suitable noise absorbing material for the walls, windows. Workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs for hearing protection. Laws and regulation should be imposed to restrict the usage of play loudspeakers in a crowded area and public places. Factories and industries should be located far away from the residential area. Community development should be done with long-term planning, along with an aim to reduce noise pollution. Social awareness programs should be taken up to educate the public about the causes and effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution and control. Sound wavelength. Sound wavelength is the distance between pressure peaks. Frequency is the number of wavelengths that appear to pass a fixed point in 1 second, which is measured in cycle per second or hertz. Amplitude is the highest of the peak, which represents the pressure intensity and is related to the volume or loudness. Speed of sound. Speed of sound is constant, so the frequency and wavelength is inversely proportional. Speed of sound equals lambda multiple frequency, where V equals speed of sound meter per second or foot per second. Lambda equals wavelength meter per cycle or foot per cycle. F frequency, hertz or cycle per second. Sound pressure level. Sound pressure level expresses the magnitude of volume or a sound in dB. Microbars, 1/1,000,000 of a bar, where a bar atmospheric pressure at sea level. Sound pressure level equal 20 multiple log P over P naught, where P is root mean square sound pressure, microbar. in microbar. P naught, reference pressure in microbar. The reference pressure generally used for P naught is the Herring threshold or lowest audible sound pressure of 0.002 microbars. Note, 1000 microbar is the highest sound pressure pin. Sound intensity is the watt per square meter. It is proportional to the square of the root mean square value of sound pressure or SPL. Note, for every 10 dB increase in sound pressure level, there is a 10-fold increase in sound intensity. Note, noise can cause damage to our emotional systems. Equivalent sound level, LEQ, is the average or constant sound pressure level over the period of interest. Temporary threshold shift, TTS, is the temporary hearing losses. It takes approximately about 1 month. Noise-induced permanent threshold shift, an IPTS, is the loss of hearing with no chance of recovery. Less than 80 dBA, there is no hearing losses occur. From 80 to 130 dBA, there is temporary threshold shift, TTS. Hearing losses is not noticeable. Note, 1 hour of 100 dBA can produce temporary threshold shift, whereas 10 hours of 95 dBA over 10 years may cause noise-induced permanent threshold shift, an IPTS. Thank you.